Hi, it's James here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Google Voice onto your computer so it's its own app. You'll have an icon on your taskbar on your dock. You can open and close it whenever you want to make calls, no matter what you're doing on your computer. First off, you need to head over to the Google Voice homepage. So in your browser, go to voice.google.com, hit enter. Once the website is loaded, keep an eye on the address bar up here and look to the right hand side, and you'll see this little icon here, the install icon. Click on that and then click on install. What happens now is Google Voice, the main homepage, has disappeared, but you can now see, if I close this browser window, that I now have Google Voice as an app on my desktop, which I can minimize, maximize. I've got the icon down here so I can drag it to where I want it on my desktop. I can right click on it and pin it to the taskbar, likewise with what you can do on a Mac. If I close the program, I can click on the icon and reopen it, and that is the Google Voice app installed on the computer. So if you do that, you've got this little Google Voice app that you can use whenever, wherever on your computer.